Hi, I've gotten a lot of questions about our class project and I've started reviewing some of the submissions already. I thought maybe this video would help you all to work through the first 3 steps of our class project before their deadline of this coming Sunday. First of all, some of you have sent in your companies. If you haven't done that yet, to get those approved, you need to have your organization approved before you can start your project. You can email me those or you can post them on Blackboard under assignment number 1. Do not post assignments 1, 2, and 3 under assignment number 1. You need to assign, put the correct assignment under the correct location on Blackboard. I can't give you grades for all of them in one section. Look at assignment 1, put your company name. Assignment 2, put down your problem statement. Assignment 3, you need to enter your SWOT analysis or your situation analysis. So I'm going to go over that a little bit, some of the things that I'm expecting when I start to look over and grade your paper. First of all, your company needs to be approved. Some of you have done that, some of you haven't. Please do that if you haven't already. Number 2, the problem statement. The problem statement is not their slogan. It's not their logo. It's not something short that you have found that is a descriptor of that organization. A problem statement actually is the problem that you're hoping to address as part of this project. What is it, like I said in the first video, that you can do to help them through some kind of communication issue they may be facing? An example, I'm going to read a couple of problem statement examples to you that may be able to help you. In order to provide excellent patient care at minimal cost, Middleton Hospital does diagnostic procedures that are safe, efficient, and accurate. In addition, the procedures should not be overly painful for the patient. That's one example. Another example may be, in order to continue the 50-year tradition of values, Alfred Academy's administration needs a multifaceted mediation program that includes administration, the faculty, the students, and the parents. This mediation program needs to 1, serve as a preventative measure, 2, encourage peaceful interactions, and 3, adapt to the changing needs of the school. So a problem statement is something that you plan to address. What issue do you see McDonald's or Alzheimer's Tennessee or the American Red Cross facing that's a communications issue, not an operational one, but communications that you can help them do that? Who are the audiences? Who do you plan to address? And what do you think the issue is? So it's stating what their communication problem is, not creating a slogan for them. The third part is actually the longest of this assignment. It's the SWOT analysis. It stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. What are the strengths of the organization? Do they have a tradition, a long history? Have they been good fiscal stewards for the organization? What is it that is a strength about that organization when you look at it in its competition? What are its weaknesses? Obviously, the problems that you mentioned highlight some kind of deficiency they may have. So what are the weaknesses of the organization? They're so big that they don't look at what the local people are doing anymore, or they're so local that they don't see the big picture. What are the weaknesses that they face? Opportunities. What are some of the opportunities they have to grow? Is there a marketplace that they could potentially expand? In this situation, that's your opinion. What is it that this organization can do to grow? And then their threats. Who are their competition? Is money a threat? Is the economy a threat? Think big picture of what might be impacting the organization's bottom line. So for the first 3 assignments, you need your company name. You need to make sure that you have a communications problem statement that you're going to take care of or address, and then write it in a format that's very succinct and very concise and gets to the problem itself, doesn't provide a lot of extra things with it. And then your SWOT analysis. The longest part of this 1, 2, 3 assignment is describing what the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities or threats of that organization are. And as always, if you have questions, you can email me or find my telephone number on the Blackboard page.